Hello students, welcome to part 3 of chapter 1 Knowing Our Numbers. In this class, we will learn about Indian system of numeration, International system of numeration, exercise 1.1, large numbers in practice and exercise 1.2. Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs and crores. In Indian system, we start grouping the number from right in a group of 3 and further in a group of 2. International system of numeration. In International system of numeration, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and millions. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. In International system, we start grouping the numbers from right in a group of 3. Now we can do exercise 1.1 question number 1. Fill in the blanks. 1 lakh is equal to dash 10,000. In 1 lakh there are 5 zeros and in 10,000 there are 4 zeros. So to make the number of zeros on both sides equal, multiply 10,000 with 10. So 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. Question B. 1 million is equal to dash 100,000. In 1 million there are 6 zeros and in 100,000 there are 5 zeros. Now to make number of zeros equal on both sides, multiply 100,000 with 10. So 1 million is 100,000. 1 crore is equal to dash 10 lakh. In 1 crore there are 7 zeros and in 10 lakh there are 6 zeros. Now to make the number of zeros equal on both sides, multiply 10 lakh with 10. So 1 crore is 10 lakhs. Now do question number D and E yourself. Question 2. Place commas correctly and write the numerals. 73,75,307. We know that in Indian system of numeration, we group numbers from the right in a group of 3 and further in a group of 2. Question D. 58,423,202. This question is given in International system of numeration, and we know that in International system of numeration, we group numbers from right in a group of 3. Do question B, C and E yourself. Question 3. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to Indian system of numeration. Question A. 8 crore 75 lakhs 95,762. Question C. 9 crore 99 lakh 46. Do question B and D yourself. Question 4. Insert commas suitably and write the names according to International system of numeration. Question A. 78,921,092. Question B. 99,985,102. Do questions B and D yourself. Large numbers in practice. Large numbers are needed in many places in our daily life. For giving the number of students in a school, number of people in a village or a town, money paid or received in large transactions, in measuring distances between various cities, etc. Meter is the standard unit of length. Kilo shows 1000 times larger. Centi shows 100 times smaller. And milli shows 1000 times smaller. Thus, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter.
Now we can do exercise 1.2, question number 1. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Number of tickets sold on first day is equal to 1094. Number of tickets sold on second day is 1812. Number of tickets sold on third day is 2050. Number of tickets sold on fourth day is equal to 2751. Total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days is equal to 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751, that is equal to 7707. Therefore, 7707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days.
Question number 2. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Runs Shekhar scored 6,980. Runs he want to complete 10,000. Runs he need to score more. 10,000 minus 6,980, that is 3,020. Therefore, Shekhar needs 3,020 more runs.
Now, question number 6. A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Number of screws manufactured in a day is equal to 2825. Number of screws manufactured in the month of January 2006, that is in 31 days, is equal to 2825 multiplied by 31, that is equal to 87,575. Therefore, 87,575 screws are produced in the month of January 2006.
Question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Total money with the merchant is 78,592 rupees. Cost of one radio set is 1,200 rupees. Cost of 40 radio sets, 1,200 multiplied by 40, that is 48,000 rupees. Money left with the merchant after purchase of the radio sets is equal to 78,592 minus 48,000, that is 30,592 rupees.
Question number 8. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. By how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? Difference between 65 and 56 is equal to 65 minus 56, that is equal to 9. Difference between the correct answer and incorrect answer is equal to 7236 multiplied by 9, that is 65,124. Hence, the answer was greater than the correct answer by 65,124. Question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Total length of cloth is equal to 40 meter, that is 4000 centimeter. Cloth required to stitch one shirt 2 meter 15 centimeter, that is equal to 215 centimeter. Number of shirts stitched out of 4000 centimeter cloth is equal to 4000 divided by 215. The quotient is 18. So number of shirts stitched out of 4000 centimeter cloth is equal to 18. Now the remainder of division is 130. So the length of remaining cloth is equal to 130 centimeter, that is 1 meter 30 centimeter. Therefore 18 shirts can be stitched and remaining cloth is 1 meter 30 centimeter.
Question number 10. Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? Weight of one box is equal to 4 kg 500 gram. That is equal to 4500 gram. Maximum weight the van can carry is 800 kg. That is equal to 8 lakh gram. Number of boxes that can be loaded in the van is equal to 8 lakh divided by 4500, that is equal to 177. Therefore 177 boxes can be loaded in the van. Question number 11. The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 km 875 meter. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. Distance between school and house is 1 km 875 meter, that is 1875 meter. Distance travelled by the student in one day is 1875 multiplied by 2, that is 3750 meter. Distance travelled by the student in 6 days is 3750 multiplied by 6, that is 22,500 meter, that is equal to 22 km 500 meter. Therefore, the student covered 22 km 500 meter in 6 days. Question number 12. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 milliliter of curd. In how many glasses, each of 25 milliliter capacity, can it be filled? Quantity of curd in the vessel is equal to 4 liter 500 milliliter, that is equal to 4500 milliliter. Capacity of one glass is 25 milliliter. Number of glasses that can be filled with curd is 4500 divided by 25, that is 180. Therefore, curd can be filled in 180 glasses. Homework exercise 1.2, question number 3, 4 and 5. Thank you.